Disneyland Paris opened in 1992, which means that this year it's celebrating its 30th anniversary. And they've got a few treats in store, a few special shows, lots of merchandise, lots of displays commemorating the 30th anniversary. So let's take a look at some of them. At Disneyland Paris at the moment, there are a few shows on daily. Several performances are called Shine and Bright is the one we have seen a couple of times, and it's really good. You get floats with lots of characters coming down Main Street and around the central hub here. And what's really good is you stand on the side of the road so you see the floats come past, but then the characters and the dancers get off and on, you see where the raised stage is there. So wherever you're standing, you're going to get a really good view, because when the dancers are in the middle, the kids can see you up really good, and it's a really good show. What I like about it is you've got new characters. You've got your traditional characters like Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Goofy and Pluto, but then you've got characters from the newer films like Miguel from Coco and Nick Wilde and Judy Hopps from Zootropolis. So it's a really good mix, really colourful, great music, and it only lasts about 15-20 minutes. It's well worth seeing. One of the special decorations that Disney have put in place for the 30th anniversary are some rotating metal sculptures depicting various characters from different films, both old and new. And you get close to them, they're really detailed, really impressive. Nice impressive theming on the Stitch display as well. He's got his little ukulele and 4 surfboards sticking out around the palm tree. Celebrating the 30th anniversary of Disneyland Paris in a big way. We'll show you some of the attractions you've got on the street, but even the bottles of Vittel and the paper cups have got the 30-stroke Mickey logo on it. We've just had a special snack, the Disneyland Paris 30th anniversary Madeleine. It's a bit like Madeira cake, and it's got icing on. The icing isn't very highly flavoured, it's just Just a nice colourful adornment if you like, but if you like Madeira cake, you'll like it. And my wife asked for a small snack. Go and get one of those biscuits over there, she said. How's that for a small snack? 12 euros. Another show that's really worth seeing, it's not now when it's light, it's at night, just before the park closes. If you get to somewhere around the central hub, about 20 minutes or so, say 10:30, 25 to 11, you've got a little drone show before the main show, which is great. I don't know how they do it. There's drones in the sky, you can't see them because it's dark, but they all light up to make the 30, they move about. It's a really good performance. And then after that, the fireworks go off. The fireworks and light show go on for about 20 minutes or so. You've got a light show projected onto the castle, got scenes from The Lion King, even Star Wars, Frozen, and lots of fireworks, pyrotechnics and big flames. An impressive show.
The magic, it's just begun. Parce que je t'aime.
So that's our look at Disneyland Paris's 30th anniversary commemorations. Thanks for watching Rob on Holiday, and remember we have a new video every Saturday at 5 o'clock. See you then.